how to check credit score in the Bank of America. Now take note that only the credit card holders is allowed or has access to view credit report or credit score. So if you are a credit card holder with the Bank of America, the FICO score from TransUnion will be providing you out a credit report annually automatically. So if you already are a card holder or a credit card owner from the Bank of America, you should be able to see your specific credit card report or your credit score from the email address associated with your Bank of America account. Now, if you would like to change when you would like to receive your credit report, then you should be able to contact or coordinate with one of the customer support representatives from the Bank of America, have a request to change when you would like to receive your credit report. So that's the only way for you to be able to have access on your credit report or checking your credit score with the Bank of America.